This is a piano tutorial for the really popular song Piano Man by Billy Joel. And this is a really good song, I think, for a beginner to learn. Number one, it's in the key of C. So the chords are going to be more familiar to you and you don't have to worry about black keys. So that's nice. I'm going to show it to you here first as a soloist. And the fingering isn't really too tricky on this one too. You start on your fifth finger on a G. Then all that you have to do anything to change your hand position to that until you get to that point. You lift your thumb up and you go down to A. Now, this particular lead sheet I have online for you if you're one of my instant piano students. I don't know why it is, but they put the melody up high after that point, which is way too high to sing, and I'm just going to keep it down here. So it starts on a G with a fifth finger. Second finger down to A. And that's pretty much it. Now you're at the chorus, fifth finger on G again. Lift your thumb up and put it on A. Then put your third finger on E. Thumb down on G. And that's pretty much it. So pretty easy on the fingering. I'll show you the chords here for the left hand. So you start on a C chord. Now, I'm going to have you play the E minor like that. So C is C, E, G. Then E minor, it'd be B, E, G. Then A minor would be C, E, A. Back to the C chord, C, E, G. Then an F chord, C, F, A. Got a D7 chord, D, F sharp, A, C, and then you resolve to G, D, G, B. So you got a C chord there, C, G. A minor, C, E, A. F chord down to that, A, C, F. And then you get a G chord. That'd be D, G, B. A C chord. Back to an F, C, G, D, G, B. A C chord there, C, G. Play, or we got an E minor again, B, E, G. A minor, C, E, A. Back to a C chord. F, C, F, A. C chord again, D7, D, F sharp, A, and C, to G, D, G, B, C chord again, because you're going to go down here for the A note. Kind of low, but that's what it is. A, C, E. There's a D chord there. A, D, F sharp. Then you got an F chord there. A, C, F, and an A minor. A, C, E. That D like that if you want. D, F sharp, A. And then you got a G chord, G, B, D. And then you've got a, so go back and both between a G and a C there to use the chorus, and then the chorus it's C chord, C, E, G. C chord on the downbeat, E minor, B, E, G, A minor, C, E, A, back to a C chord, F chord there, A, C, F, D7, D, E, F sharp, D, F sharp, A, C, F chord again, A, C, F, G, D, G, B, back to your C chord. So pretty simple there. Always work on it hands alone before you try putting it together. Practice it slowly, and this is what it sounds like when you're all done.